Hello, and welcome back to a Uni-edit video. My name is Antony P, and today we're going to learn how to use your mouse to navigate around Google Chrome tabs and windows. This is called your cursor. This is a Google Chrome browser window. These are Google Chrome window tabs. Here, I have 3 tabs open. First, let's talk about how to open a new Google Chrome tab. To open a new tab, you can move the cursor to the top of a browser and then click on the plus sign. Oh no, I have too many tabs open in the same window. It's getting confusing to work with so many tabs. Next, we are going to talk about how to move a tab into a separate browser window. To move a tab into a separate browser window, move your cursor over the tab and then click and hold the tab, then drag the tab away. The windows will separate like this. Now you have 2 windows. A different way to do the same thing is to move your cursor over the tab, then right-click. A menu displays. Click on Move Tab to another window, then New Window. Lastly, we will talk about how to open an incognito window. Incognito means private or secret. Use an incognito window if you want Google not to keep track of the web pages you visit. To open an incognito window, click on the ... icon and click New Incognito Window. You can know the window is incognito when you see this picture. Now you know how to add new tabs, windows, and incognito windows on Google Chrome. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe below, and I'll see you again soon.